Hi, thanks for joining. In the first two videos of this series, we explored creating subconcepts using a top-down approach and a bottom-up approach, covering the basics of inheritance and data logic. If you haven't seen those yet, I recommend checking them out. In this video, we'll dive into another powerful feature, creating subconcepts from properties. This method allows you to automatically create child concepts based on specific property values of the parent concept, making it easier to structure your data model while maintaining inheritance. So let's dive in. For this example, we'll use the order concept representing data on all customer orders. The order concept includes various properties such as customer ID, market, order city, order country, and so on. Let's assume we're interested in the property called market, which defines the geographical region for each order. Our goal is to create subconcepts like Africa orders, Europe orders, and others based on the market property. So let's see how this can be done. The first method is by clicking on the Create button in the top left corner and selecting Concepts from Property. Here, we'll simply choose the parent concept, in this case order, and select the property to classify by Market. Timbr automatically loads all the unique data values of the selected property from the table, such as Latin America, Europe, Pacific Asia, United States and Canada, and Africa. You can choose to include all or exclude all, or manually include or exclude specific values. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed. The second method is just as simple. Right-click on the parent concept, in this case order, hover over Create and select Concepts from Property. Just like before, choose the property market and include or exclude the values you want. This method provides the same functionality, but it's a quicker way to start directly from the concept menu. Once you've chosen the property values, you'll see options to create new concepts or create and replace, if any of the subconcepts already exist, set a default suffix or prefix for the subconcepts. For example, you can name them Europe order with a suffix or order Europe with a prefix. After making your choices, click Save, and your subconcepts are created instantly. Now, let's check the results. Each subconcept inherits properties and relationships from its parent concept, but it also includes a filter specific to the property value. For example, the order Europe subconcept includes a filter logic of market equals Europe. If we fetch sample data, we'll see that the subconcept only shows orders from the Europe market. And there you have it. This approach is fast, simple, and ensures your data model is both structured and dynamic. With just a few clicks, you can automatically classify data by property values, maintain inheritance for seamless querying, and filter data dynamically for each subconcept. I hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of how to create subconcepts using properties in Timbr. I invite you to check out our documentation or explore additional tutorial videos on our website or YouTube channel. We'll see you in our next videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.